Hello friends, welcome to our channel. Today's topic of our video is what is battery, basic working principle of battery, and what would you say if you were asked in an interview. Let's start this video. What is battery? A battery is a device that converts chemical energy into electrical energy. It is essentially a collection of one or more electrochemical cells that generate an electric current. Batteries come in all shapes and sizes, and are used in a wide variety of devices, from small electronic gadgets like cell phones and laptops to larger equipment like cars and airplanes. Basic working principle of battery. The basic structure of a battery is made up of two electrodes, the anode and cathode, separated by an electrolyte. When a battery is connected to a circuit, a chemical reaction occurs at the electrodes, which produces a flow of electrons, creating an electrical current. The anode is the negative electrode, while the cathode is the positive electrode. The electrolyte is a material that allows charged particles to move between the anode and cathode. When the battery is charging, electrons are added to the anode, which then flows through the circuit and to the cathode. When the battery is discharging, the opposite occurs, with electrons moving from the cathode through the circuit and to the anode. There are many different types of batteries, each with its own unique characteristics and advantages. Some of the most common types include alkaline batteries. These are the most commonly used batteries and are found in many household devices. They are relatively cheap and have a long shelf life. Lithium-ion batteries. These are commonly used in portable electronic devices like cell phones and laptops. They are lightweight and have a high energy density, which means they can store a lot of energy in a small package. Lead-acid batteries. These are commonly used in cars and other vehicles. They are heavy and bulky but can provide a lot of power. Nickel metal hydride batteries. These are commonly used in cordless power tools and hybrid cars. They are more environmentally friendly than some other types of batteries. If you are asked in the interview that what is battery, then you can say this. A battery is a device that stores and converts chemical energy into electrical energy, which can then be used to power various devices. It is made up of one or more electrochemical cells, which consist of two electrodes, anode and cathode, separated by an electrolyte. When the battery is connected to a circuit, a chemical reaction occurs, producing a flow of electrons and generating an electrical current. Batteries come in many different types, each with its own unique characteristics and advantages. You can also give examples of where batteries are commonly used, and briefly explain the differences between the various types of batteries. Well, there are two parts of the battery: primary battery, secondary battery. We have made a video on this topic, you can go and watch it. I will give the link in the description.